Today I shall teach you about the use of the definite article the. In my previous period, I taught you indefinite articles a and. But today you are going to read about definite article, that is the. I have written some points. On the basis of the points, you can understand very easily. Definite means certain. When a noun is certain, then with that noun the is used. But how the certainty is provided to the noun, you have to be careful. I am telling some of the rules, those rules that I have written here on the whiteboard. Once look here. General rules for the use of the. Number one, with heavenly bodies are unique one. Do you know heavenly bodies? Heavenly bodies means like planets, stars, which are in the universe. They are known as heavenly bodies. Before that, you have to use the earth, the moon, the Mars, the star, the sky. Sky is unique one. The sky, the universe is unique one. The universe. In this way, you have to use the with heavenly bodies or unique one, that I have written here in point number 1. Now come on, in point number 2, with the repeated noun. With the repeated noun, you can see here, he has a dog. The dog is black. In the first sentence, dog has been used for the first time and therefore a has been used. But the same noun the has been repeated in the second sentence. With the repeated noun the has been used. In this way, the use before the repeated noun. In the first sentence, for the first time, when the noun is used, with that noun either a or an is used. But when the same noun is repeated in the next sentence, then you have to use the before that noun. Like, I have a cow. The cow gives sweet milk. No other cow, only the cow that is with me gives sweet milk, because the word cow has been repeated here. I have a cow, the cow gives sweet milk. With the noun cow in the second sentence, that has been used here. Now come on in point number 3, with the noun determined by either clause or phrase. You must know clause or phrase. Sometimes clause or phrase determines the noun. Clause or phrase gives certainty to the noun. You can see the example. The girl who comes here is a nurse. Which girl is a nurse? The girl who comes here is a nurse. That means who comes here. This is a clause, and this clause provides certainty to the noun the girl, and therefore with the girl you have to use the, because girl is determined. She has been given here certainty by the clause who comes here. In the same way, second example is here. The man on the horse was handsome. Which one was handsome? The man on the horse. On the horse. This is the phrase. This phrase provides certainty to the noun man, and therefore with the noun man, the has been used. No one, but only that man who is on the horse was handsome, and therefore here who comes here provides certainty to the girl, and therefore the has been used with the girl. On the horse provides certainty to the man, therefore the has been used with the man. That means what? क्लजले र फ्रेजले आफूभन्दा अगाडिको नाउनलाई निश्चितता प्रदान गर्छ, निश्चित बनाउँछ, अरू होइन त्यही मात्र भन्ने सम्बोधन गर्छ। त्यही भएर सर्टेन्टी भएको हुनाले त्यो नाउनको अगाडि द प्रयोग गर्नुपर्ने अवस्था हुन्छ। 4 number, with the superlative degree. You know well that there are 3 types of degree: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Beautiful, more beautiful, the most beautiful. The most beautiful is superlative degree. Good, better, best. Best is the superlative degree. Then with the superlative degree, you have to use the. Like example, she is the most intelligent girl in the class. The most intelligent is the superlative degree, and therefore the has been used before most intelligent. Come on, the next point, that is point number 5, with double comparative degree. Sometimes we use double comparative degree, not with a single comparative degree. With a double comparative degree, we can use the with the both comparative degree. See the example: the more you have, the more you want. The more you have, the more you want. The more you study, the more knowledge you gain. The more you practice, the more marks you will gain in the exam. When comparative degrees are used 2 times in the same sentence, then you have to use the before the first comparative degree and the second comparative degree, only on the condition of double use of comparative degree. Now come on, in point number 6, with the ordinal number. With the ordinal number, in mathematics you are reading ordinal number. What is ordinal number? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. These are ordinal number. When such type of numbers are written, before that you have to use the, because they are called ordinal number. With the ordinal number you have to use the. And in the same way, now come on, in the 7th point, with the noun animal which shows its race. That may be animal, like birds may be, reptiles may be, people may be. When that noun shows its race as a whole, then with that noun the is used. For example, the cow gives sweet milk. The cow gives sweet milk means not only one cow gives sweet milk, all cows on the earth give sweet milk. That means cow is a singular noun, however it indicates its whole race. काउ एउटा सिंगल नाउन भए पनि आफ्नो पुरै जातलाई सम्बोधन गरेको छ। दुनियाँको पुरै गाईले मिठो दूध दिन्छ भनेर सम्बोधन गरेको छ। त्यही भएर द काउ गिव्स स्वीट मिल्क, द टाइगर इट्स मीट, नट ओन्ली वन टाइगर, इभन अल टाइगर्स इन द फरेस्ट इट मीट। एउटा बाघले मात्रै चाहिँ मासु खाँदैन, जंगलभित्र रहेका सम्पूर्ण बाघहरू मासु खान्छन् भनेको टाइगर भन्ने जुन सिंगुलर नाउन छ आफ्नो पुरै जातलाई सम्बोधन गर्यो। त्यही भएर चाहिँ टाइगरसँग के प्रयोग भयो? दको प्रयोग भयो। अनि कमान्ड इन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, that is point number 8, with an adjective that shows its race or communities. With the adjective, यसभन्दा अगाडि नाउन को बारेमा भने, अहिले with the adjective that shows its whole race or whole communities. You must be careful. See the example. The young or courageous. Young is an adjective, but here young is not only one person, but it indicates all young people on the earth. That means it shows its communities, its race. In the same way, you can see here the old are wise. Here old is an adjective, but that old indicates all old people on the earth, and therefore it indicates its race or communities. In this way, an adjective which shows its race or communities takes the before it. You must be full. Now come on, in point number 9, with the direction. You know when the direction east, west, north, south, these are directions, and with the directions you have to always use the. The sun rises in the east. The sun sets in the west. The east, the west. These are directions. The last point I have written here, with the proper noun used as a common noun. In articles, you must keep in mind, in normal condition with the proper noun, you can't use article. But when a proper noun is used as common noun, at that time with that common noun you have to use the. I have written examples. Pokhara is the Switzerland is a country. Before the country you can't use article, but here Switzerland is not a country, it is a common noun. It shows its beauty as a common noun. यहाँ स्विट्जरल्यान्ड एउटा देशको नाम नभएर त्यो देशको सुन्दरता हो, कमन नाउनको रूपमा प्रयोग गरेको छ। त्यही भएर पोखरा इज द स्विट्जरल्यान्ड अफ नेपाल। त्यही भएर स्विट्जरल्यान्डको अगाडि चाहिँ द प्रयोग गरेको छ। बालकृष्ण इज द शेक्सपियर अफ नेपाल। शेक्सपियर मान्छेको नाम हो, मान्छेको नामको अगाडि आर्टिकल लाग्दैन, तर लाग्यो किनभने यहाँ शेक्सपियर मान्छे होइन, शेक्सपियर एउटा विशेषता बोकेको व्यक्ति हो, कमन नाउनको रूपमा नाटक लेख्ने तपाईँको व्यक्ति हो। त्यही भएर चाहिँ त्यो कमन नाउनको रूपमा प्रयोग भएको छ। त्यही भएर बालकृष्ण इज द शेक्सपियर अफ नेपाल भनेर भनिन्छ। शेक्सपियर र स्विट्जरल्यान्ड दुईटा नाम लिए, एउटा देशको नाम एउटा व्यक्तिको नाम, तर त्यहाँ देशको नाम र व्यक्तिको नाम नभएर ती भित्र रहेको विशेषतालाई मात्रै यहाँ सम्बोधन गरेको छ, जुन कमन नाउनको रूपमा प्रयोग गरिएको छ। त्यस्तो कमन नाउनको अगाडि चाहिँ हामीले द प्रयोग गर्नु पर्दछ। देन टुडे I have taught you 10 points in which you can read the use of definite article the, but other points are also there, and I shall teach other points in my next video. Today this is much for you. Thank you.